Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today's our vlog is about Christmas celebration in Korea. So in this vlog we are going to cover 2 days Christmas celebration like 24th December Christmas Eve and 25th December Christmas Day.
Yes guys, so today is 24th December and it is Christmas Eve. So we have decorated our home and we also prepared some Christmas snacks. So we will show you now how we decorated our home and the snacks which we prepared for Christmas. Also guys, this video is gonna be very interesting. So please watch it till end and let's go guys. So guys, our house is small and we have this wall which is empty, so we decided to decorate this side. This is our small Santa Claus and we made this Christmas tree with lighting. These are the candles and we prayed today. And we decorated it with some balloons and more lighting. This is our small Christmas tree. After turning off the light, it looks more beautiful. So this is how we decorated our home and this is our small celebration. Tried to make these donuts at home. So guys, these are some donuts I tried to make at home. So as you can see, so this recipe is from my aunt from India, and these donuts are not like store-bought donut. That are very soft and these are crispy. Sorry guys. So these are crispy from inside and it's and it's very delicious. So if you want this recipe, then please let me know in the comment section. I will share with you. So guys, I just finished 2 to 3 donuts while talking and of course it was very tasty. So now we are getting ready to go for Christmas tree lighting festival.
Now we came to celebrate Christmas at Nampodong. Here the lightning festival is going on. So we celebrated Christmas at home, but we thought to come here to celebrate and see the Korean celebration of Christmas.
So we came here at Nampodong. There are many other locations where Christmas tree celebration is going on, but we came here because it is this place is closer to our home.
The Christmas tree is decorated with different colors of LED light. It's a 18-meter tall Christmas tree and with many LED lights.
we are walking on street, and here the trees are also decorated with LED lights, and it looks so beautiful, guys. Hi guys, today is 25th and it's Christmas day. It's very beautiful morning, and today is very cold. So today we are going in Choryang Catholic Church, and it is located near Busan station. And before 2 years we went there, and today we are going there again.
Yeah, because of the corona situation we not came last year.
Yeah.
So guys, we will show you how the church looks here, and this is the one of the Catholic church is here near Busan station. So we'll see that one. So guys, it is very peaceful here, and due to cold we are taking sunlight now. While walking on a street, we came across this unique artwork created by Choi Jeong-hwa, who is the one of the local 17 artists from Busan. The artwork name is Ona Ona Moda Moda. The artwork is located near Choryang station, and it's created with old household items and everyday objects which is donated by local peoples, and these are become the roots and trees of the garden. So guys, this is it for today. See you in our next video. Merry Christmas!
Christmas!